Hi, it's Will from Pickup Media, and I'm going to be doing a very quick demonstration on how to capture a 30 carat tourmaline stone today. Now, very simply, we place that inside of the GemLightbox. We put the reflector on. We tap on the product to focus. We can brighten down or up. As you can see, we always get true color, and we press record. And just like that, the GemLightbox turntable will do a 360 spin all by itself and record a phenomenal video for you. As you can see, we can capture all the facets and the detail very clearly. Now, let's watch the result. Traditionally, tourmaline stones are very hard to capture because they are so clear, and getting the true color is very, very difficult. As you can see inside GemLightbox, we did that very, very easily with just a click of a button. Any questions? Leave a comment below. Thank you.